So we've got, this is the overall state. In this case, we have a crypto card, back in the labs having problems. So we have red on that, but we have green everywhere else. Networks is, networks have an issue. But here, though, there's a list of events, right, associated with that. And as I said, this is beta prototype stuff, right? But it gives you an idea of how we can add widgets from a make on over. So,
I'm looking at the same thing on the iPad here.
Thank you, Jim. The amount of work we did, right, for that, we're still looking at the cell phone, right? But we're hoping to pick up the widgets that are optimized for mobile and use them on, So we have a few. I'll give you an example of that. We had this topology, which you're seeing on the bottom left of topology. Well, it turns out, like on Joe's iPad, if you looked at it over there, it's better to use a table, a tree format. So this is what we give him there, right? All right. So here, if we have that issue, said we're going to look at things in an overview. So quickly, someone can drill down into kicks, right? And they can see that maybe we have an issue with a couple of the kicks plexes. And again, we've got some workload running here to make this system active, right? And we're hitting CPU on some of this 0% is kind of a false threshold, right? But we get down into this kicks detail region. In here, this becomes something that's probably, who's going to use this? We talk to SMEs and operators, and technical operators and managers. We believe that the details page is where, where this becomes kind of appropriate for the SME, where there's some data here that he's going to see the same data in TEP as and Tom as he would see here, because we're collecting the data once, right? We're bringing it to the server and we're reading it and putting it out here in the web UI. So if he's looking at his 3270, he's going to have this data here, maybe in different spots, right? But this same data is available. So maybe the operator only has access to the web UI, right? And doesn't have a TSO ID. So that would be a question. The folks who are watching the mainframe, either events or their operators, maybe they just watch the data. Do they typically have TSO IDs in your organization? Do they have access to it? Okay, I've seen it, yes, okay. Are there others who don't have access but would use something like this? Okay, I'm seeing a lot of shaking hands. And so they don't have a TSO ID, but they have a way to look at the data, is that right? Yep, okay, so that's a pattern we're seeing, is that